As all of you are aware, that Election Commission has announced the SIR for the state of Goa. As part of that, all the EROs and the BLOs under them have been properly trained and they have been given kit bags and proper training has been given to all of them. Apart from that, for all the voters, forms have been printed and handed over to the BLOs. From today, the work of distribution of forms has started. All the BLOs have started going in the field and have started the process of distribution of the forms to the voters. By the time the reports have come, till now, today, around 30,000 forms have been distributed across the different assembly constituencies. And this work of distribution of forms will continue to go on till the enumeration phase is there, from 4th November till 4th December. Process of distribution of forms, and after they have been filled by the voter, these forms will be collected back. And after taking back the forms, the draft roll will be published on 9th of December, after which the period of claims and objections will commence. To help the voters of all of the district of North Goa, we have created dedicated help desk and shared the number on our social media as well as through the press. People can reach out on all these numbers in their assembly constituencies as well as the collector's office if they have any doubt and if they need any help in filling the form. Apart from that, the BLOs have been sensitized to help the voters in filling these forms. The forms have a pre-filled section and the other part has to be filled by them. If they have any query, the BLOs will help them and ensure that their forms are duly filled and submitted to the office.